Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2018 Subaru WRX STI Limited with 27,258 miles has been tastefully upgraded with an NVIDIA catted downpipe, NVIDIA Q300 exhaust, Boost Lab TD05 20 Turbo, Grimspeed Turbo Heat Shield, Injector Dynamics 1050 injectors, radium fuel rails, radium pulse dampeners, an Aeromoda fuel pressure regulator, Cobb air oil separator, Grimspeed boost controller, Cobb access port, Rally Armor mud flaps, aftermarket fog bezels, black wrap on the roof, apparent turbo inlet, and new tires. It has been dyno pro tuned and comes from the factory with Recaro seats, Brembo brakes, and is finished in a pure red paint scheme. The WRX STI Limited finds a sweet spot between practicality and power, offering drivers the best of both worlds in a versatile package. Practicality aside, the WRX STI Limited was built to brawl, boasting 305 horsepower and 290 foot-pounds of torque in stock form. With the upgrades in tune, it now makes 351 horsepower and 339 foot-pounds of torque at the wheels. The now discontinued WRX STI Limited remains a popular option thanks to its brawny power, spacious interior, and agile handling. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website.